Hi, I'm Carolyn Wilhelm, and this is about the book Alex Asks about Auntie's Airplane Day, because Alex has an adopted auntie. She came from South Korea. So they start out, they have a little car trouble. They call Grandpa to come and help fix a flat tire. And Grandpa comes with his tools and shows Alex what a lug wrench is along the way. Then they get ready to go again, and they're not too late for the party. So they get back in the car and they get to the door. The family has a party. So he asks, why is it an airplane day? They didn't go in an airplane. They didn't do anything. They just had a party. And he finds out why. It's because it was the day his auntie came on an airplane. And he gets to come back again next year.
Hi! We're going to read the beginning of Alex Asks about Auntie's Airplane Day. Are we going to an airplane day? Alex asked. Yes, said Mom. Will we fly in an airplane? Alex asked. Not this time, said Mom. Are we going to the airport? Asked Alex. Not this time, said Dad. Look, said Dad. That is a hospital where you were born, Alex. I was a baby then, right? Said Alex. Yes, said Mom.
Thank you for listening.